Don't throw it too far.
Well, it's like a bird zoo up in here. It's like
We
a
should have
bird.
came here and fed the birds last time. These birds is into action. That one getting close to your foot, Ziggy.
It's the boss man bird over there.
Oh, let me. Hey, everybody move back away. Yeah, get that. Oh my God, they fight it! No! What? The one is chasing that one.
Guys.
Oh, a big bird coming
Come
now.
on, just take.
Oh, that bird's so
You see the big bird?
Literally big bird. He's the definition of a big
Don't
bird.
throw it too far, Zig.
Oh, the big bird coming. Big bird, what are you doing, big bird? Big bird, come on. Oh, big bird is getting closer. What is big bird doing?
Trying to get some bread.
Big bird, big bird.
I told you we're trying to get some bread.
Alright, go on, big bird. Oh,
I'm trying to feed the big bird. Yeah.
maybe he needs a bigger piece.
The big bird too slow. You know when you get older, you get a little slower. Nature is showing that. Oh man.
Maybe you need like more.
Okay, get a big bird one, Ziggy.
Yeah.
I'm trying to, but these birds will keep us stealing it.
The baby bird.
Might have to give him multiple.
Oh my
pieces.
God, it cannot get it.
Just give him multiple. Try to get like.
I'm gonna get a big one so they can't pick it up.
Oh yeah.
Let's see.
Good idea. Alright. Ah!
How they pick that big one up?
Well, bread is light.
I guess the big bird just ain't gonna get no bread. It's right by you, Ziggy. Give it to him now. Throw it to him. Hurry up before they come.
Oh no.
Stop! Big
Yeah.
bird, you got
Go on.
the big one. You got the big one. No.
Oh, he got some. Go on.
Big bird actually got some.
About
A
time.
little bit. Not enough to feed him though. Unfortunately. Oh,
Now he getting the action now. He got a little taste of that bread.
he must have tasted that salt first.
Mm-hmm. I gotta eat more bread in here. I ain't got no bread. I think I ate all my bread.
Big bird, you better.
Hey, it's just Big Bird himself, not the whole the whole army is pulling up.
Yeah, they gonna come back.
Let's get a tiny piece.
You got all the bread. You gonna eat your sandwich, Ziggy?
Maybe we gotta lure these little birds
Ziggy,
away.
you gonna eat your sandwich?
We gonna try to lure the little birds away. So
Ziggy said, forget that sandwich. He's feeding birds right now.
we go. Lure the little ones away. Yes. Maybe we can get.
Shoot! Shoot, little birds! No little birds allowed. And just big birds.
They quick though.
Big birds. They did it.
Mm-hmm.
The big bird is quick with flying, but not with walking. I can tell you that. Oh, he might have those.
So that's not no bread, is it?
What? Oh, it is. What is it?
I picked it.
What was that?
That was red.
My what?
Oh, Big Bird flying away. Bye, Big Bird. Big Bird had his lunch.
They got it in.
They got the whole mafia up
Bro,
in here.
why are they all just ganging up trying to get food on? Yo, they fight to the death just to get the food.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just because of that.
Come on, yeah, we got to start walking. That's all the bread, Zeke?
No, I have more. Hey!
Oh, it's Big Bird.
Big Bird came back. Yo, he came back. Mommy, Big Bird came back.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. Y'all keep on snatching up
Look, there's a bird right by your foot. You be missing it. He just ran that way when I said something. Yeah, we got to go on our adventure pretty soon.
This is a workout.
I bet it is.
Hey, at least I'm getting exercise.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my legs are tired.
You gonna turn into a bird.
What? Cheese. Never heard of a bird eating cheese?
Me either, child.
These are different breeds of birds right here.
They eating everything.
They eat bread, cheese, anything. Anything.
All right, Ziggy, we gotta go.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
They scare.
Well, at least they learned how to share for a while. Because before they were just like being stingy.
Yeah, they was.
But Ziggy, we gotta go. We gotta go for our walk before it gets too dark.